This is Man. This is part 3 of my new laptop, my ASUS or ASUS, however you say it, model G74S. And this is just unboxing, whatever you want to call it, review of it. The first part I showed you the ports around the back of the unit, installed the battery. Part 2, I kind of showed you how to set it up. I turned it on, that kind of thing. It took a few minutes for that. So this is part 3, and let's go ahead with part 3. So I already have my screen up, and I haven't moved the camera since I did the last video. This came up, registering your product. Let's hit yes. And again, it says enter username, email, stuff like that. So I'm going to show you a screen down there. I like the keyboard, it's nice. Alright, so I did that. Now it's saying guidelines. It's a term thing, so you gotta agree to their terms, which I just did. And now it's just pretty much setting up, information. So at this point, again, I'm gonna show you that little screen down there, just as I type this stuff in. I do like the backlight keyboard. That's kind of nice, because a lot of laptops don't have that. And especially when you're in a dark room or something. And it's a nice big pad, too. I'm just putting in, the religion part now. Where you're from. I'm gonna put in what city I'm in. Now I'm gonna put my zip in. Alright, so pretty much I put all the information in, like my phone number, you know, stuff like that. And I'm just about done. So just making sure everything's in right. Alright. That's all done. I'm just logging in. So now it has more questions. I wonder if I can skip this. Alright, that's what I do. Alright, now it's just saying, you know, dear ASUS member, what was the main concern about this? You can, whoa, you can zoom in and out. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, so friendly input, nice and easy. The sound on this is great. I'll show you that later. The keyboard's nice. Nice feel and look. Excellent. Well, I can't say that yet because I don't know. Price was a little pricey, but performance matched the space that I needed. Now it's saying, okay, before you purchase this current, where you're looking at multiple. I'm not sure about this one, so I'm gonna say none above, because if you did research, yes, I can do this. Sound, the battery life was not excellent. Number of ports, hard drive, RAM, graphics, and CPU. The weight is a little heavy, but not too heavy. I mean, yeah, I'll say weight. It's not thin. So now we're gonna go down here. Where did you purchase this monitor? A local store. I answered a question about that in the previous page that said, you know, that kind of thing. Ooh. Hey, stop. It's moving on me. Whoa. Alright, so I'm gonna tab. The pad is a little messed up, but that's, you know, I'm used to laptops, so it shouldn't be that much of a problem. Where did you, it's just saying, how did you hear about them? Information. As it was recommended by a friend. But I'm going to say recommended by a sales or a dealer, because it was recommended to me by a friend. Oh, by a friend. Huh. There it is. And it was recommended by the dealer too. What other considered? Well, really, it was just this model. So it was none. I had no other brands considered. It was this model. What purchase are the images? It is. To stream videos and TV shows. Download virtual files from internet sources I'm putting. For heavy graphics such as like World of Warcraft, playing light computers such as kid games or Farmville. It does say Farmville right on there. Also, it says Facebook, and you know, this is normal stuff that a lot of people do, and you know, I know this is going to be a long video, but that's fine. Use online to order stuff, to use the search, to use and send an email, and then I'm going to hit next. Alright, it says enjoy. So we're going to hit enjoy, and we're all set with that. And now there's an email from them saying what my model number is when I bought it, the vendor, which is, if you can't see in there, it was Best Buy. So there's that part. I'm going to end that right here because it's been going on long enough, 13 minutes. So, this is part 3, and part 4 we'll go over some more things about this computer. Alright, so again, this has been another review of the ASUS G74S laptop. In part 4, which will be the next part, we'll talk about some other things, maybe like the CD burning technology in it. I don't know, we'll go from there. So this is part 3 of the model ASUS, or ASUS, however you say that, G74S. Again, this is part 3. In part 4, we'll go over more details about it. And again, this is ASUS, or ASUS, however you say it, G4S. Alright, so see you in the next review. I'm sorry about how long this is. I hope YouTube lets me upload this 14-minute video. If not, it will be chopped in half, so it will be a few parts. Hopefully not. Alright, so see you in part 4, or whatever part it might be. Again, this is the ASUS G47S. See you in the next part.